Hi there, and welcome to this little mini webinar or tutorial from Burnt Out to Breakthrough. This webinar covers how I launched a business working 2 to 3 hours a day that actually worked even with 5 kids, no tech, and a broken bank account. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how I launched a business in 7 days without creating a product, without tech skills, without spending years trying to figure it out. You're going to learn all the things that I tried to make an income so that I can look after my 5 kids and help my husband out with the bills, and the different things that I tried in the online space and why they failed, and what makes this online business different, and how you can start also even from scratch, even if you don't know anything about the online space or have any tech skills, or even if you failed before. This is for moms and dads who want to help with the bills or pay the bills, feel proud of themselves, maybe even leave a legacy, and at the same time being able to be present with your kids. It's about earning a decent income with less grind and working from home or anywhere. So, if anything of that speaks to you or resonates with you, you are in the right place. So, all the different things that I tried, right? The problem isn't you, it's the model and the system to which we were born, right? It is also our beliefs that we learned along the way, and I'm going to cover a little bit of that too. Okay, so I started off, I got a decent job as a teacher, working a 9 to 5. I spent 80,000 Rand, 6 years of sacrifice, and 40-hour working weeks grinding to get a monthly paycheck, not worth half my effort. Missing out on my kids growing up, guilt driven most of the time because I was just too tired to be fully present with my kids, and that almost broke me. I was getting nowhere slowly, so I just hustled harder. And what that led to was, after 10 years being burnt out and broke like a joke, and I needed to find another way. In between all of that mess, I tried starting a physical business. I knew I didn't want to teach and grind away for the rest of my life. I knew I wanted to have my own business of some sort, but I didn't know how. I didn't have business experience or business skills or business degree. So I started a physical bakery. I spent 20,000 Rand to buy used equipment to start. I had monthly expenses. I had to pay for rent, wages, inventory, flour, and all the stuff every single month. It was stressful because I was responsible for paying people for work, even though I wasn't getting a profit from the business. It was tiring. I was working my 9 to 5 job and trying to oversee a business that I wasn't physically involved in. So it was hard work doing both. It was little profits, and I failed because I wasn't breaking even for a year, and then I gave it up. And most businesses are expensive to start. They have monthly expenses attached to it. It's hard work for little profits. And even when you break even, it takes about 3 to 5 years before you even see any profits, if they ever survive. Right. And then I jumped into the online space in about 2022, looking for a way to leave teaching once again, and looked into the online space because I knew if I could earn in dollars, if I knew if I could learn to make an income online, I can work from home, earn in dollars, and earn at my own time. And that was the type of freedom that I yearned for. So I tried online tasks, surveys, data entries, playing games, walking, watching ads. Got paid in cents, which made no sense. It wasn't sustainable, and I was just wasting my time. So maybe you find yourself in one of these categories, right? I was there too. I tried Etsy, dropshipping, KDP, print on demand, you name it. I tried it. And the truth, those business models were built to burn you out and not to give you any substantial returns in profit for your time. It was too much guesswork, too much hard work, and too little profit. And the result of that is you're going to waste your valuable time and energy not building anything sustainable. So, what is the answer? We'll get to that after the slide, right? And the problem is, isn't you, because we were taught so much things that hold us back, right? So, um, things like a 9 to 5 is going to set you free. Just grind enough and you will get the results you want. That turned out not to be true for me. It is true for some people, but not for me. You were taught to use your most valuable resources and the best years of your life to build someone else's dream, vision, goals, and even legacy. We were taught that you are not capable of doing it on your own, and those are the things that we were taught that holds us back. We believe we are not capable and find it difficult to believe that it is possible for us to have our own income, to be really self-sustainable and really, really independent and earn our own money and have our own businesses and being our own boss. And those are all lies. Now we need to unlearn it and learn the truth that we are capable. We are capable. We need to start believing in ourselves and believing that God has given us everything that we need to succeed. All right. Okay. So, why did I choose this business model? This business model, digital marketing with master resale rights. All right. That's everything. It included everything that I needed to start an online business. I started my business within 7 days with no tech headaches, no confusion, and no guesswork. Simply because I got a ready to sell digital product that I did not need to create. All right. It was a professional website I was given, built for me, optimized for conversions. That basically means it was designed to convert people who are interested into buying customers, right? Mentorship and community and guidance. And support for when I needed a little bit of guidance or more information, and an automated sales system that works for me 24/7 when I am even sleeping. So I've been where you are. All right. I was a teacher. I tried a physical business. I failed online many times, but I didn't quit. All right. And today I still earn a dollar income online from the comfort of my home. I made my first $100 in 5 weeks, my second sale 10 days later. So that is my journey. I finally found it in 2024 of July. So, um, So this system was designed for moms just like us, right? I had 5 kids, no free time. I was burnt out. My confidence was at all low, starting over at 40, no tech skills, lots of self-doubt. What if I'm too old? What if I can't do this? What if I failed? Because I failed so many times before. I knew nothing about websites, social media. I didn't know what hashtags were, stories were. I didn't know what filters even meant. I just had the burning desire to create a better life for my family, a life where I don't have to struggle so much, and a life where I can teach my kids to avoid the psychotic 9 to 5 cycle. I want my kids to have their own businesses, use their time, energy, blood, sweat, tears to build their own dreams, their own legacies, not somebody else's. But I needed to start with me. Right, so this business gave me the structure and the clarity and real mentorship that I needed. So if you can follow instructions, if you can follow a checklist, stay consistent, you can do this too. If you can run a household, you can run a business. Okay, so the business, what does the business look like on a daily basis? All right, what would I have to do every day? Posting three simple pieces of content, whether that is for Facebook posts, whether it is a faceless reels for Instagram, whether it is normal reels, talking reels for TikTok. You decide which platform you're comfortable with using, which social media platform you prefer. Create three posts a day, morning, afternoon, and night. All right. That should take you about an hour. Cut, paste, and post free ads on free websites. Right. This is given to you. The ads are given to you. The websites are given to you. You just cut, paste, and post and send everybody back to your website. Number three, you are going to send information to people who ask. So either people will DM you or email you asking for more information. You will just send them to your website or answer their questions. And plug into training. That's to strengthen your mindset and to learn how to be an online boss, right? And plug into weekly mentorship and support as needed. So if you have a question, if you are stuck somewhere, these weekly mentorship calls, you can just jump on one of our Zoom calls and get your answers, your questions answered by professional millionaires and six-figure income earners who have tread the path already. So what happens when you join? When you join, you get immediate access to the program and the community. You start watching the step-by-step videos and tutorials. Um, you will then link your business name and your PayPal to your pre-built website that's already created for you. Once your business is up and running, you are ready to accept payments. You will launch your business and start learning and earning. I was able to launch my business within 7 days, right? And many people take about 2 to 3 days to do it. Then you get support as you need it, and you grow at your pace. Okay, so if you're thinking that I am behind, I'm too old, I don't know much about the online space, it's fine. You don't need to know everything. You don't have to have everything figured out, right? It's not too late. You're not too old. You're not behind. You're exactly where you're meant to be. Your past traumas, your past failures, and your present circumstances do not define you, and it do not determine your future. You don't need to be perfect, just willing. You don't need to be tech savvy, just coachable. You don't need to know it all. You just need to start and adjust along the way, right? Um, you've learned how to be a good mom. You've maybe even had a job and learned how to be good at your job. If you could do that, you can learn to run your own successful online business. So don't think that it's beyond you. I thought it was beyond me until I tried it. Everything seemed impossible until I made my first sale. So you have two choices, right? Plan A, you can keep doing what you are doing and hoping that things will change without changing anything, or you can take the first step towards the future, a future that you know you were meant for. Only you have the power to choose, but either way, it's still a choice. Life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. And change starts with action. It just takes one decision and one small step to change your life. And I'd say if you are ready to take that first step and launch your own online business within 7 days and start earning $1 income from the comfort of your home, working a few hours a day, click the button below, check the opportunity out. This might be the thing that changes everything for you. If you do have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial.